Welcome to a short preview of this Screencasts Online video tutorial. Now, there are many text autocorrect apps available for the Mac and iOS, and we've covered many of them in previous shows. However, if you don't want to go to the expense of a separate third-party app and your needs are fairly simple, you can use the built-in text autocorrection features of both macOS and iOS. Let's start by taking a look at autocorrection in macOS first. Now, to get to the text autocorrection, it's within the System Preferences in the Keyboard section. So let's just open up System Preferences. And then if we go to Keyboard, there is an option for text. Now, there are some in here already. I think some of these are standard, so On My Way, See You Shortly, and I think I might have put that one in actually, ta-ta for now. But they're very easy to use. Let me just move this across to the side. And let's bring up Text Edit. Okay, so here is Text Edit. It's very, very simple. So ta-ta for now, TTFN, TTFN. Right, we get the autocorrection. To accept the autocorrection, we just hit space and that pastes it in for us. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.